Welcome back, everyone. Ready to dive deep into another fascinating text?
Always ready. What have we got today?
Well, today we're taking a look at Psalm 80.
Okay, Psalm 80.
Yeah, a prayer from the Old Testament. And
It's a psalm.
Yeah, a psalm. But this one's a bit special, honestly. It's full of this raw emotion.
Raw emotion.
Yeah, like a real cry for help. But then it uses this extended metaphor of comparing the people of Israel to a vine.
Interesting.
And how God's been caring for them like a vineyard.
Like a gardener.
Exactly. So I'm going to unpack all of that, the imagery, the emotion.
Sounds good.
But also see if this ancient prayer, thousands of years old, can still speak to us today.
I think you'll be surprised what we find.
I think so, too. So right away, Psalm 80 just hits you with this desperate plea.
Yeah.
Like right off the bat, turn us again, O God, and we shall be saved.
Wow.
And it's repeated throughout the whole song, too.
Really? Repeats it?
Yeah, over and over. So, whoever wrote this...
Must have been in a tough spot.
Definitely. They were going through something really serious.
Probably the time of national crisis,
Right, like exile.
Yeah, maybe exile or oppression. When you feel totally abandoned, lost.
Makes sense.
That's the context you need to grasp.
Really feel the intensity.
For sheer desperation in this prayer.
So it's more than just, oh God, help me out with this problem.
Oh, absolutely.
This is deep suffering, crying out.
Crying out.
And that's where the vine metaphor kicks in.
Right, the vine.
And it's powerful stuff. God's the shepherd, the one who planted the vine, right? Transplanted Israel from Egypt, helped it grow.
Nurtured it.
It's like this visual representation of God's blessing their prosperity.
Oh, I see.
The shadow of the vine covering the hills.
Wow.
Branches reaching the sea.
That's beautiful imagery.
But then, bam, the psalm just shifts. Suddenly, this flourishing vine is ravaged, broken down, wasted.
Like attacked.
Attacked, destroyed. It's a stark contrast to all that flourishing.
That's unsettling.
It is. And the enemies attacking, they could be literal foreign nations, right?
Sure, could.
Maybe something more symbolic, too.
Ooh, get into that.
Like, what if it's internal struggles, moral failings?
Or turning away from God.
Exactly. Even with God's favor, things can fall apart so fast.
Personally and nationally.
You get it. That's what makes this resonate with us, even today.
Thousands of years later.
Totally. I mean, who hasn't felt like a struggling vine at some point?
We all face setbacks, feel vulnerable.
But, okay, here's my question.
Shoot.
If God nurtured this vine, why let it get destroyed?
The age-old question.
Right. It seems to contradict all that early imagery of flourishing.
Well, the tension is key to lament, you see.
Okay, explain that.
It's wrestling with the tough stuff, the doubts, the pain.
Bringing it all to God.
Honestly, openly.
And the psalmist keeps going with that, right?
Oh, yeah.
Begging God, remember your covenant.
Powerful.
Restore the Son of Man.
Now, that Son of Man bit,
It's a little cryptic, right?
a bit ambiguous for sure.
Could be the king. Or a future messianic figure.
Maybe even the people of Israel as a whole.
Right. It's open to interpretation.
Intentionally, I think.
Which makes the ending even more powerful.
How so?
Despite the despair, the wrecked vine imagery, they still say
What do they say?
that they'll remain faithful if God revives them.
A glimmer of hope.
A conditional hope,
Acknowledging they need God's action.
but choosing to hold on to faith anyway.
Powerful stuff.
So we've got this raw emotional plea, the vine metaphor.
Right, the vine.
Showing both blessing and vulnerability.
And then that hope.
Persistent hope despite the hardship.
Amazing how much is packed into this psalm.
It really is. And it leaves me thinking, how are we like that struggling vine?
Oh, good question.
Where do we need restoration?
Where are we broken down?
Where do we find strength to hold on to hope, even when things are bleak?
Something to ponder, for sure.
Definitely something to think about. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into Psalm 80. We'll be back next time with another fascinating text. Until then, keep digging.
See you next time.